So right now, coming up on mid-February 2022, this is kind of what I've left. Everything else is out. I have some onions, which bunching onions did good. The regular onions, I've never grown them before. I just kind of spread the seeds. I guess they didn't properly develop. I have some carrots and some parsnips. The carrots, I've never grown carrots before. I just sort of put seed everywhere and hope for the best. Some it looks like you're growing okay, some aren't. But let's see, let's pull a couple. Yeah, those are pretty small. That kind of stinks. There were a couple that I've picked that were pretty good, about 4 to 5 inches long, but a lot of them, just nothing. So that kind of stinks. Live and learn. I think if they had more space, they would develop a lot better. Like for instance, here's one that's a little bit, that one's tiny. Here's one that's a little bit further from the other ones. That one's much bigger than the others. So I think I'll give these another couple weeks just because I have nothing else ready to go in, and then I'll just pull them all, and any that are worth eating I'll go ahead and save. So that's kind of where we're at with these right now. As for these parsnips, I don't really have a whole lot of them, but I did pull one and it was looking pretty good. So let's go ahead and pull another one here. Here goes nothing. Things in there. Not bad. I'm thinking these might be about ready. Let's pull another one. Yeah, those ones are pretty small. They're too close together. It's much smaller. So it looks like the ones that are separated, I think I've just been planting all these root crops too close together. I need to show some restraint. Let's just do one more because I'm impatient. Ugh. There we go. This is a couple plants, so they might be small. Ugh. Yeah, kind of small. We got. So I think I will give these and the carrots a little bit longer, and then whenever everything else is ready to go, these will all come out and we will have a new planting. So I'm in zone 9B here in Florida. These tomatoes went in the ground middle of October in 2021. Usually we don't get a frost. If we do, it's very light, and that's what we had a couple, maybe 3 weeks ago, was just a light frost. But you could see it did absolute number on these tomatoes. You can see I have a whole bunch of tomatoes ready to go, but unfortunately it's not looking good. The frost was only for maybe 3 hours. It hit 32 degrees, maybe 31, but apparently that's all it takes. So this species, I think it's mortgage lifter, definitely fared the best. There's quite a few good tomatoes on here that I hope I don't lose. This one is especially big, but some of the other ones just got absolutely zapped. So apparently a very light, short frost is enough to absolutely just obliterate these plants. This one was looking great, and then nothing. So that's where we're at. We will see over time if any of these ripen up. Not only do I have my larger garden over there, on the other side of the property over here, I have this little 4-foot by 8-foot bed, and today I picked up some of these seed potatoes from Walmart, Yukon Gold. Just 5 little potatoes in each one. I think I might cut them in half. I grew potatoes once before, decent luck. I cut them then. I guess I'll cut them again. But I feel like you know, turning each one of these 5 potatoes into 10, so 20 total. Maybe do 2 rows of 10, maybe a couple in the middle here. Should work out. Hopefully we can get this entire bed filled out with some good vegetation. That would be pretty cool. So I will definitely make an updated video when I get these planted, maybe in another week or so.